All right, so now we're going to talk about rearranging them. So what I've done is I've put all four on one layer or in one folder, and you use the folder tool right here. Now I can grab the folder tool by its name and drag it down like I'm duplicating the layer. So this becomes project 2. You notice I close the I on project 1. Now I won't mess up project 1 in any way, shape, or form. Now I can come in here and I can say, I want to rearrange these colors. I want to do new colors or whatever. But now I want to rearrange them because what happens is whichever one is highest is the closest. So if you see this one and how this one's closer, but if I move this one down, you'll see that this one moves over in front. And if you remember the example of the minimalistic piece, it was about what was in front and what was in back. So that changes the dynamic. Now, you can just move these around, but then that becomes more problematic. So what I would do is, now this could be project 2. Now I would go in and change the colors or whatever so that as I put all of these side by side, because you're going to create 8 total. And then you want to be able to put them all together side by side. And then that way they create a really dynamic kind of interactive minimalistic piece. So just practice moving these layers. So I could come up here and I could duplicate this layer box again and call this project 3, hide the layer on that one. Now this time, you know, to make the example, I can go in and say, okay, on this one, I'm going to say edit, fill. I'm going to fill with, say, color. Oh, edit. Oh, I'm going to undo. Edit, fill. And this time I'll actually pick a color. So, okay, boom. And then I'll repeat the process over here. Edit, fill, color, and then I'll select the yellows. Edit, fill, color. Let's see. Teal. This one. And so forth and so on. And eventually you'll create a whole series of these to get up to 8. And that's where we will hold on that, ladies and gentlemen.